Okay, let's dive right in. Because look, the future of software, it isn't just single prompt AI anymore. It's all about highly complex, multi-agent automated systems. Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're breaking down a really fascinating guide from the DIRA team at AI Agents Directory to uncover the hidden operational backbone making advanced AI actually possible. Let's get started.
So ask yourself this: what actually happens when you unleash, say, 100 autonomous AI agents on a single workflow at the exact same time? Just imagine it. They're all trying to perceive, reason, learn, and take actions simultaneously.
Well, without the right architecture, it's pure unmanageable chaos. Literally, you're going to have agents talking over each other, tasks colliding left and right, and massive system failures. It's kind of like having 100 brilliant musicians all playing completely different songs in the exact same room without a conductor.
And that is exactly where the agent harness comes in. This is your conductor. It's the foundational architecture, the operational backbone, really, that facilitates all that communication, coordination, and execution. It completely abstracts away all of that low-level multi-agent complexity, so you can actually just focus on what your agents are supposed to achieve in the first place.
Now, you might be thinking, why not just use an off-the-shelf framework? And sure, those are great for beginners, but building a custom harness? That is the hidden playbook that tech giants use. Why? Well, it gives you perfectly tailored functionality, optimized performance with practically zero latency, and most importantly, it lets you keep complete control over your own IP and proprietary logic.
Section 1. Anatomy of the core. Robust harness modules. Okay, so every harness absolutely requires an orchestration engine. This is literally the central brain of the entire operation. It dictates exactly how your agents are invoked, how their outputs get processed, and how the overall task is managed from start to finish.
And within that engine, you've got some distinct execution options. You could run agents sequentially, where the output of one just feeds directly into the next. You can fire them off in parallel for sheer speed. You can set up conditional execution based on specific decision points. Or you can even enable agent collaboration, where they actually negotiate with each other to hit a common goal.
But how do they actually talk without breaking the whole system? Standardized communication. It is absolutely paramount. If your agents don't have clear channels to exchange information and commands, well, your orchestration engine is pretty much useless.
So choosing the right communication protocol is a massive decision here. The source outlines a few ways to go. You could use message queues like RabbitMQ or Kafka for asynchronous tasks. You might stick to REST APIs for synchronous requests. But if you leverage a high-performance open-source framework like gRPC, you're looking at almost zero latency for remote procedure calls. And for real-time bidirectional chatter, WebSockets are definitely your go-to.
Alongside all that communication, you desperately need airtight state management and an agent registry. State management keeps track of the overall system, tracking whether individual agents are active, idle, or if they've completely failed. The registry is basically a directory. It acts just like a service registry in a microservices architecture, letting your agents dynamically discover and invoke one another without a hitch.
Section 2. Building your custom harness. A step-by-step blueprint.
The source material actually maps out a pretty comprehensive 10-step process, but we can synthesize it down into these 6 high-impact phases. You start by defining your scope and designing the architecture. Then, you build that core orchestration engine we were just talking about. Next up, implement your communication modules and state management. Finally, define really clear integration interfaces so your agents can connect smoothly, and then just relentlessly integrate, test, and refine. Keeping the whole thing modular is key here.
When it comes to picking your programming language for the build, Python absolutely dominates the landscape right now, mostly thanks to massive libraries like LangChain, LlamaIndex, and PyTorch. But depending on what your team is good at, don't overlook JavaScript for web-based agents, or Go if you need to handle massive concurrency, or even Rust if you're going for maximum speed and absolute safety.
Section 3. Scaling and future-proofing. Surviving growth chaos.
Because let's face it, to survive the chaos of scaling, you have to be rigorous. You absolutely must perform end-to-end workflow testing and heavy load testing just to find those inevitable bottlenecks. But more importantly, you have to intentionally introduce failures. Think simulating network drops or agent crashes just to test your error recovery loops. You also want to design for statelessness to enable horizontal scaling and make sure you lock down all that agent-to-agent communication with robust authentication and heavy encryption.
It's funny. You can build a single standalone AI agent in about 10 minutes today.
But scaling a multi-agent system to run an entire business operation? Totally different story. That requires the deep architectural vision and the dedicated investment of a custom harness.
There's a quote from the DERA team's research that really anchors our whole analysis for this explainer. They say, building your own agent harness empowers you to create truly bespoke AI solutions. Doing that hard structural work of building the infrastructure up front yields unparalleled power and flexibility that those generic platforms just can't match.
So I'll leave you with this provocative thought to chew on. Take a hard look at the tools you're relying on today. Is your current, easy, out-of-the-box framework actually the ceiling on what you can build tomorrow? Are you ready to build the backbone of your own AI future?